Hi, my name is Grace Meyer. I am from New Jersey, and I'm really excited for this class. So I work for a company called Comfort Keepers, and we provide in-home health service to anyone over the age of 18. So a lot of our clients have dementia or Alzheimer's or some form of memory issues. So I work a lot with dementia patients and Alzheimer's patients. My role, I've never diagnosed somebody with a mental disorder. Most of our clients already are diagnosed before they come to us, and we just provide them with like a caregiver to help with their daily activities. But I think a challenge of diagnosing somebody is making sure they're correctly diagnosed with something. I think I would be very upset and concerned if I misdiagnose somebody. So I think that is the biggest challenge in making the diagnosis, is that, especially with like Alzheimer's or dementia, that it's not just a memory issue or something else going on with them that is causing them to be forgetful, that it actually is this exact disease. So yeah.